Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn int and double data type in Dart. And most importantly, we will understand the main function clearly. So let's start the video. First, we will define the main function. Void main open and close curly braces. So this line is the most important line in any Dart program. Main is the entry point of any Dart program. So program execution will start from the main function. Without main function, we are not able to run any program in Dart. The word void means this function does not return any value. So now we will see the integer data type. Int number is equal to 30 semicolon. So this line creates an integer variable name number. The int data type is used to store whole numbers without decimal point. Also we will define another int variable, int year is equal to 2026. So here this line also creates an integer value because it does not contain any decimal point. Now we will see the double data type. Double height is equal to 5.6 semicolon. The double data type is used to store decimal numbers. We use it when values need precision. Also, we will create one another variable with double salary is equal to semicolon. So this variable stores a salary value that includes decimal points. So now we will print the values. Print in double quotation number dollar sign number semicolon. So this line prints the text and value of number. The dollar symbol is used for string interpolation in the Dart. Also, we will print the values of the all the variables. Print year dollar sign year. Then print height dollar sign height semicolon. Then print salary dollar sign salary semicolon. So this statement displays all variable values on the screen. So now we'll run this program. So for that we need to open new terminal. And just type over here dart, then your file name. So it prints all the variables on the screen: number, year, height and salary.